Right, this is my last question. Why you should be the next Miss Puerto Princesa 2025? Yes guys, kasama po natin at Darling of the Press from South, from Barangay Iwahig. Kamusta yung performance mo this press conference?
Well, pagdating sa performance, sobrang magaan lang, in-enjoy ko lang siya. And yesterday, when we have our rehearsal, talagang kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ako magaling talaga sa pasarela. And I did my best and sinabi ko talaga, pinangako ko gabi na sabi ko, babawi ako today. And I really didn't expect that I am going to be the darling of the press from the South.
Wow. Bilang from Barangay Iwahig, ano yung pakiramdam mo na dala mo yung sash ng Barangay Iwahig?
Well, actually, sobrang laking opportunity po na dala-dala ko ang sash ng Barangay Iwahig. Kasi nga po, di ba, isa siya sa mga oldest barangay. And, you know, pagdating po sa mga tourist spot, talaga namang binibisita din ito. At nandun po yung farm, kung saan po yung before na kinolonize pa ng mga Spanish. And sobrang tutuwa ako na our barangay have preserved that kind of important thing in our life, which is yun nga, na-preserve namin yung mga ganun bagay. And we have a firefly watching na naman, which is open na naman for the public. And I hope that every one of you will visit it soon. So I am so grateful for my Barangay Iwahig.
Alright, this is my last question. Why you should be the next Miss Puerto Princesa 2025?
Well, it was quite hard. Well, I should be the next Miss Puerto Princesa 2025 because I firmly believe that my values and my advocacy aligns with the platform or the organization. So it is also about the civic engagement and wherein we can give and advocate and establish different causes that is really beneficial for our community, not just for the mental health awareness, for the environmental awareness, the preservation of heritage and sustainability of our tourism. So I think I am one of the best because I am aligned with the organizations what is looking for. Thank you po.
Wow, grabe na may masagutan. Thank you so much and congratulations, Barangay Iwahig.